Yes, ladies and gentlemen, you did read it correctly. Today we will do some astro-technical analysis. First of all, if you want to follow somebody who knows a lot about astrology, here you go. Maren Altman. You can find her on Twitter. And another thing I just found out in the preparation of this video is I'm wearing a yellow shirt, and that gigantically makes me a chameleon throughout the rest of of this video. So I'll become transparent and change color from time to time. All right, that being said, first of all, let's have a look at the Bitcoin dominance. So far, nothing special. We're still trying to climb up higher than the Bitcoin chart. So let's go to the 1 hour chart. That will be more interesting. So we did break the 618 Fibonacci retracement. So let's have a look to get that one back. Like this. What do we need? So the 0.618 and the 0.786. So we did drop below the 0.618, and where did we bounce off? Amazingly, at the 0.786. So this harmonic pattern we can draw down, and then the 0.886, that's another target which can come up. That would be the low of the harmonic pattern. So I think let's go to the Bitcoin liquidations. Now we start to see in the past hours that we start to have much more short liquidations now. So if you look at this one at my local time, 1 o'clock, this was the biggest short liquidation for the past days. So this goes back to the 23rd. So that's a period of 3 days. So this is good. This is good. So it means more and more shorts are building up. And when they get liquidated, price goes up. So that's what we want to see. Now let's go back to the chart. So I think in order to get more people bearish, we might go down even more tomorrow. So 0.886 or a swing failure pattern. So going below the low we had when was it? On the 22nd, so 4 days ago. And I don't think we will go much further down. But okay, what I think doesn't really matter. We're gonna have to see what happens. We still have this daily support at 26,228, more or less. It depends on your exchange. And now let's have a look at the astrological technical analysis. If we remove everything, and then at the indicators, you can look for MP, which means moon phases. And let's have a look what we have here. So I believe those are the full moons. So is it the full moon and the new moon? So actually it's the new moon here. A new moon will give you a top, and a full moon will give you a bottom. Full moon, more or less, top, bottom, top, bottom, top, bottom, top, bottom. We topped out, and where are we now? At the bottom. That That should be it. Does it always work like this? Of course not. Here we were in a super uptrend, and of course here you hardly, or if you search very well, then you might find some drops, but they're not really significant. Okay, and that's all I want to say about it. Does this work for other charts? I've tried it, not really. So, but I must say, from Maren Altman, from so far I kept track of it, and it's about half of her predictions which are coming true. So that's quite impressive. Just based on the planets, their positions, and also with the stars. So yeah, well, she made some good calls in the past. So yeah, something interesting to follow as a side note. Okay, another one I found interesting today is the BVol in TradingView, so the Bitcoin historical volatility index. Now, if you zoom a bit out, this one, then what you can see is that we are forming a triangle. So like this and like this. And some people might say, yeah, Fibonacci retracements, that's all because of algo trading, or is just market makers which are doing this on purpose. But have a look. Let me impress you a bit. This is the volatility of Bitcoin. So we go from the high to the low. And let's set this one up correctly. So where do we go? We have the highest volatility we had on around in March. So that's the whole COVID crisis. So let me zoom out, because we don't have so much historical data. So it goes back to January 17. Okay, sorry, the highest volatility was here February 18th. Sorry, February 18. So here we have March, the volatility goes down, and then where do we go up? To the golden zone. There we find resistance. Let's see if we have also 786. No, we just did not touch that one. So if we take then from this low to this high, sorry, this one should go higher like this. So we have to begin an increase in volatility, then volatility goes down, and to where? Well, to the golden zone. And now we are slowly heading back also to the golden zone. So currently we're now it will be better. So now we're more or less at the 0.5 mark, almost there. So anyway, if that doesn't impress you, then we just go on with just a pure triangle breakout. So then you take the size from the high to the low, which is something like this, and then let's say we break out in I don't know, in a couple of days, let's say. So where will that bring us? As you already can see, this will be the highest volatility we have ever seen since 2017. So let's hope this volatility will bring us to the upside. To the downside would be really terrible. So this is really one to keep in mind. So for the coming days, if all works out, then we go for a lower volatility, and then we might start breaking out. So higher volatility, but you never know, is it to the upside or is it to the downside? So let's save this one. So I think that's more or less it. Ethereum. Let's see if there's something special here. No, we did not break out. We did also not go lower than the previous low. But given current sentiment, yeah, it looks so good to take out those lows and then start going higher. Let's see tomorrow. This will be interesting. Algo trading. Oh, that's the wrong window. So Tezos, nothing here. Bitcoin, still nothing. Ethereum, nothing. And the trigger line is coming down. Okay. Bitcoin Cash, also trigger line coming down a bit. And XRP, yeah, we got a sell signal again with the close of yesterday's candle. So let's have a look at our account. So Bitcoin still in a short, $0.50 profit. XRP in a short, currently $19 in profit. Crypto Fear and Greed Index, yesterday at 27, and today everybody is getting extreme fearful again, and we are back at 20. Right, and as you can see, my shirt is now gray. All right, so that's it for today. Let's see tomorrow what happens. Thanks. Bye bye.